Oh, that begin. Hello! Also myself. I'll tell you my feel of my night I show you. I feel D. What's inside here. I showed you before a long time ago. Time that we update it. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. So like, comment, and so forth. Let's begin. And when you're on my channel, hit the notification bell. I will locate you more beautiful. Let's begin. I'll start my first one to my last one until get more in the future. Let's see here. Oh, this is a cake knife brand. My favorite to this little knife. Maybe in the future get a GT knife. Whistle cake knife. No cake knife. The tractor. The art tractor. This one got 2 blades. On it, I call it, not a blade, I call it, quick point blade. The beautiful blade. My very first tractor knife in my collection. Beautiful blade. All it. The window, my very first cake knife. We got that Walmart a long time ago. I think we paid for this on $60. Beautiful blade. This one is a straight blade. Beautiful blade. I love it. My window very first cake knife in my collection. Oh. Satin cake knife. Navy blue tractor knife. They did a bow handle with a US flag with case in it. Same like this one, the same blade. Beautiful. Navy blue tractor knife. My second favorite in my collection. Oh, we got 3 cake knife got from Walmart. There's a second one. 2 of them we got at Tractor Supply. What is the one? 50. Fit on it. Fit on it. And a mini Stockman. That's a bigger Stockman. That one got 3 blades. That one got the tweeter blade. This is my main blade. The quit blade. And the beard blade. Oh, that one the beard blade too. That one the beard blade. One of my favorite Stockman in my class. One of my biggest. I start this one last before we show the other one. My very first ever Copperlock. AmberBone mini Copperlock. This one a lot back. Other one is fit. This no open. by the two-hand open. Quick point blade. I'll take the quick blade, not the quick blade, is drop point blade. I think the drop point blade. Or the quick point blade. That one got a real AmberBone on it. Oh, I forgot. Beautiful. AmberBone Mini Copperlock. And my 5th Kate Knight in my collection we got for now until they get more in the future. Blue Bone. Wait, we got more somewhere around here. Oh, yeah. Blue Bone Mini Stockman. That one got 3 blades. Cleaver blade. No, the C-foot. Never mind. The main blade. Quick point blade. And low quick blade. Beautiful, my classic. One of my favorite colors. That burnt blue. Oh yeah, I got one more tractor. What's your one? Papa Warrant Ritty Bone Danner Trapper Knife. One of my friends sent me to me on a year ago. Same night that one. I want the main blade, the quick point blade. Beard blade. That's all the blade on here. Beautiful blade. I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got about 6 Kate Knight in my collection right now. My 7th Kate Knight, I hope we get it pretty soon. Maybe in a week to get my next Kate Knight. That one with purple burnt blue burnt bone, which is this kind of model of the Kate Knight. I love that. Now I'm going to show you my first favorite brand made knife. Ready? I open it. That's my very first one we got. We got 2 in my collection for now. That's not handmade anyway. Ram Horn handle. Ram Horn bone handle. Brass rope blade. Beautiful blade. Damascus blade. They are Damascus blade. One of my very first Damascus pocket knife in my collection. Only got 2 right now. Maybe in the far future to get more. Handmade with Damascus blade. I forgot the model of it. A long time ago when I got it, I forgot the model of it. Beautiful. My question. Beautiful, my question. We got this one. My 2nd Damascus pocket knife. Funny about this? Too small and the seat too big. The granite seat anyway. Oh, That one a bustle horn handle. That one at a Ram Horn handle. One of my favorite in my Damascus Pockets collection. Seafoot blade. I think it's a pen blade. I think it's seafoot blade. Beautiful. Right here. Beautiful bass baiter. Not bass. That one not bass too. And beautiful blade. No blade plate. That's me put on here. Beautiful blade, my collection. One of my beautiful, right, my collection. One of my favorite, my collection. In the future, to get more of that, I would take some time to get more of those. But my great night here, again, my second one, halted in a few weeks. Until then, I'll wait for that. Maybe in the future, I get my very forever Great Eastern Commodity Night. GEC sort. Maybe in the future, I get more. In the future, I get more of these. Second one, I hope we get soon. Well, hope you enjoyed my knife still reviewed again. My second and third favorite knife ever. I sold my biocode before. They were my second and third favorite in my collection. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, support, share the videos when I hope to get more knife and more ET knife, more Cade knife in the future. Always matter. Stay nice, everyone. Thanks for watching, and keep out also do awesome mail go, how the channel go, how the each other go. Keep questioning awesome night, keep questioning consistent night, keep questioning the way awesome handmade night, and all the midnight are so way cool. So that's I say, be awesome and keep that and keep questioning made night.